GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. Connector gender. Female. An ACDelco GM original equipment throttle position sensor kit comes with the needed parts to replace your throttle position sensor, TPS, and is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. The TPS reports the throttle position to the engine control module, which uses the signal to adjust fuel delivery and ignition timing. This throttle position sensor kit has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. When the correct part arrives, it is great. After multiple used, broken, dirty parts arrived. I finally got a new one, and it fixed all the cell problems. I wish Amazon would do more quality control on people returning their old parts and then shipping those parts as new.